The next ESTC training segment is going to involve 3 Mayday policies based on a significant number of conversations about firefighter and medical provider safety out in the field. We've looked at Mayday procedures from other states, other counties, and localities, and have identified that while many of the policies are very effective in handling certain circumstances, the potential for different types of Maydays requires a number of policies to fully understand the number of threats that a provider or firefighter could face when in the field. And as such, with the discussions at the ESTC and then multiple discussions with the fire chiefs and EMS captains at joint meetings, we have come up with 3 Mayday policies that should be as comprehensive as possible without being too overbearing and difficult to understand amongst the ranks. As such, the first Mayday policy is the non-malicious Mayday, which is a not purposefully imposed emergency caused by another human. A good example of this is a firefighter is working on the 2nd floor of a house fire and the floor falls out from underneath them. This is not specifically caused by another human. It's caused by circumstance, and there is no ill intent from anybody in that Mayday. The malicious Mayday is a Mayday that is caused purposefully by another human. This could be somebody with a weapon, such as a firearm or a knife, or purposeful intent to cause harm to somebody else. This is an entirely separate Mayday that requires different treatment from the non-malicious Mayday. The third Mayday type is the unable to reach. And what we mean by this is you have responders or a responder on scene that are unable to be reached. In our opinion, as the ESTC, if a responder is unable to be reached, this is a Mayday in of itself because we are not sure why they're unable to be reached. This could be non-malicious or malicious in intent and needs to be rectified via policy to ensure that we regain contact with that responder.